At LPV Technologies, quality isn't just a promise. It is the foundation of everything we do. From the moment raw materials enter our state-of-the-art production line to the time our panels are packaged, we ensure every step meets the highest industry standard. Our 6 quality control checkpoints are strategically placed throughout the production process to ensure precision at every stage. These checkpoints monitor everything from the lamination to the electrical performance, guaranteeing the reliability and durability of each panel. But we don't stop there. With 2 additional offline quality control stages, we conduct detailed inspections beyond the line, ensuring each panel meets our stringent standards for performance and safety. At LPV Technologies, we integrate advanced engineering and innovative technologies to produce panels that stand out in efficiency and reliability. Our highly regulated processes allow for precision at every stage, ensuring that each panel is crafted with unmatched accuracy. Our panels are manufactured using top-tier European technology, delivering superior energy output to power homes, businesses, and industries. To ensure the utmost protection, our panels are packed with care. Each pallet holds 31 panels, meticulously wrapped for safe transportation and storage, ensuring that they arrive ready to deliver high performance. From precision engineering to quality assurance, we stand by our commitment to deliver solar panels that redefine reliability, efficiency, and sustainability. With your vision and our innovation, we're powering a greener future. LPV Technologies, innovating quality, delivering excellence.